Bengaluru police have registered a sumo to FIR against Mohan Gowda, state organizer of the Hindu Rashtra Samanvaya Samiti, for allegedly spreading false and misleading information on social media about comedian Kunal Kamra's Bengaluru show. The FIR was registered by Whitefield police based on a complaint filed by police constable Sridhar, who was reportedly assigned to social media monitoring. Police alleged that Gowda posted a video on his X account claiming that Kamra's show had been cancelled. According to police, the information was false and misleading and had the potential to spread rumors and create confusion among the public. The case has been registered under sections 217 and 354 clause 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which deal with the circulation of false information and statements that may cause public mischief. The case comes amid a controversy surrounding Kamra's performances in Bengaluru. His shows were originally scheduled at a venue in Whitefield from August 3rd to August 6th, but were later shifted to Koramangala following objections from Hindutva organizations. The organizations alleged that some of Kamra's remarks hurt Hindu religious sentiments. Several right-wing groups had demanded that authorities intervene and stop the performances. After the venue was changed, organizers offered ticket holders the option of seeking a refund or attending the shows at the new venue. Meanwhile, social media posts claiming that the shows had been cancelled began circulating online. Police have not indicated whether any arrests are planned in connection with the case. Investigators are expected to examine the posts, videos, and related social media activity as part of the probe. Kunal Kamra's political satire and stand-up performances have frequently attracted criticism from political groups and activists across the ideological spectrum. In recent months, several of his shows have faced protests, legal complaints, and venue-related challenges in different parts of the country. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.